Well, good morning, YouTube. Yeah, I got me a package the other day, and I thought we'd do a little unboxing here and see what kind of parts we got. I went ahead and picked up my electric kit for my trike. It's a Ebikeling 1200 watt kit. They were running a little low on them, so I went ahead and ordered it. I wanted to wait about another month or two before I did it, but anyway, we got it in the mail, and so I thought we'd open it up and see what the parts look like. Anyway, let's take a look at this. Look at the box here. Okay, so it's an Ebikeling, and right here is the only damage on the box, so I'm hoping that everything's okay. It looks like it's just cardboard there and a little foam. Let's get this thing moved around here. Okay, so there's the sticker on it. So it's an Ebikeling item type, so it's a 26-inch by 4-inch, so it's fat tire. Item type 318, serial number EBLG190303118. So okay, let's go ahead and let's cut this thing open and let's see what's inside. Not too steady on my feet here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, it looks like it's packaged pretty well. Yay, lots of styrofoam. I think is what I'll do is I'll set this box on the floor here, and we'll take these items out one piece at a time. Oh man, that thing is heavy. Okay, let me get this box on the floor and we'll take things out one piece at a time. Okay, there's the first piece there. There's the rim. I'll go through and check all the tensions on everything. But I'm looking at the serial number there. It's 1200 watts. This is a front hub motor, so 4 inches wide. I want to check. So Ebikeling. Boy, that's a big old heavy tire. I wish I had a battery to test this, but we are just gonna have to wait for that. But anyway, so there is the tire. Here's the wiring for the motor. Hopefully all the cables will be long enough, or I'll be extending them all. But okay, well, let's move on. Okay, so this is the other items that come in the box here. Okay, so it says at the top here, "Dear valued customer, thank you for choosing Ebikeling for your detailed installation. Please visit the website." So we will have to do that. See what it is. And, hey, isn't that nice? They sent me a pair of socks. That's just what a double amputee needs, is a pair of socks. Guess we'll be giving those away. Anyway, let's just see what's in this little box here. It should be my LCD display, my throttle, and pedal assist. Wow, we got all kinds of goodies. So this right here is my controller. This is what controls everything. So it's supposed to be a 30 amp controller. Voltage, low level, current, 30 amps. Okay. Well, there we are. There's our controller. And this is the bracket for the LCD. There's a couple of options. You can get an LCD or an LED. And I decided to go with the LCD because it had a bunch more options. The LED only did a couple of things, and this thing just, I went online and printed off, and it's like a book of instructions on how to run this thing. So the SW900 LCD display is the one that they use. So, but anyway, you can set speed limits and how much assistance you want, and mileages, kilometers per hour. Set the darkness of the display, voltage grades. It'll do my 48 volts. I gotta read what this grade modes. Grade modes. Okay, so you can set the limit on your speed also. It's pretty interesting, all the stuff that this thing does for just a little display. But electronics are just kind of really advanced anymore. So, but anyway, yeah, I can set sensitivity on my throttle and driving mode, how many miles I go, and yeah, I don't know if you can see this picture here down on the display of all the different stuff that it does. But anyway, Let's move on. Looks like just a bunch of cables here. Okay, so this is my pedal assist sensor that mounts down by the crank. And I can set different levels where I can use my pedals and the motor just kind of helps me out a little bit, or I can do fully electric. So alright, this little bag, oh, that's nice. They sent one of those. This is a little torque bracket that fits on the front tire. There's so much torque you could bend your forks. So they give you this little unit, and it mounts right on the fork and takes the torque out, so you aren't bending parts. So okay, so this right here looks like brake levers. Let me see what we got here. Alright, so I got a couple of brake levers here. Well, I can see right now they didn't send me a throttle control, so I got to get a hold of the company. Gosh darn it. Anyway, these brake levers, they got some wires that hook into the controller that so when you hit the brake, it shuts off all power to the motor so you can brake. So that's kind of cool. But anyway, so I guess I'm going to have to get online here and send them an email, get a hold of Amazon, tell them I didn't get my throttle control. Okay, well, that's it. What a mess, huh? Well, I'm going to put everything back in the box, and hopefully we'll be able to take this out. I'll need that front tire anyway. I will mount a tire and a tube on there, and then that way I can use it when I'm mocking up. So, okay, well anyway, that just gets me through. I just thought I would open this up and check for parts real quick. I'll try to go through the parts a little more. I don't know that much about the kit and the different parts, and like that LCD display, it's got a book. So I need to read through it and figure out what all their terminology, because anymore they abbreviate everything and they expect people to know what they're talking about, but I don't get it. Anyway, as soon as I start installing this thing in a few months, I should know more about the parts. So, but anyway, that's all for now. I just thought I'd let you know. And everything else is going fine. I got the axle all ready to go for the welder. As soon as I get my parts in, I'll bring that to the welder, and I'd like to get it primered. But anyway, I'm working on the main body right now, and then I'll get the front forks and get everything primered up and ready to go, and we'll start assembling here months down the road probably. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.